Of the 8 billion people on the planet, 4 billion of them are digitally connected, and 2 billion of them are gamers. By 2030, the 8 will become 9. The 4 will become 5. But the big number is, of the 2 billion, that will become 4 billion. Nearly half of the world's population will be playing games. So there are 3 key technologies that will shape the future of our industry. The first, high-speed connectivity. Second, cloud. And the last, artificial intelligence and machine learning. These key technologies will help shape the future of gaming. But what happens when we combine them with business model innovation?